Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I remember my humble self, Secretary the Young Teacher. And today we're going to look into some past questions on biology, exam related questions on biology. Now without so much of our time, just quickly dive into what we have. Now, number one, we have the science of life is refers to as dash. The science of life refers to as dash. A. Anatomy. B. Biology. C. Ecology. D. Phylogeny. The answer is what? Biology. This is very clear. The science of life is biology. For more information, you can fall back on our channel on our previous lectures under biology and its applications to know more of this. Number two, a student discerning an animal specimen discovered that it had two auricles and one ventricle. The animal is likely to be a dash. A. Fish. B. Reptile. C. Amphibian. D. Bird. Now, this question, they say that the animal have two auricles and one ventricle. Now let us analyze the option. A. Fish. Fish has one auricle and one ventricle, so it is off. It's not correct. B. Reptile. Reptile has two auricles and one ventricle, except crocodile, which has two auricles and two ventricles. So this is also off, not correct. C. Amphibians. Amphibian has two auricles and one ventricles, so it's correct. While bird has two auricles and two ventricles, so C is correct. And now you're wondering what we mean by auricles and ventricles. Auricles simply means is the upper chamber of the heart which receives blood, while the ventricles is the lower chamber of the heart which pumps out blood out of the heart. So that's it. Now number three. A change in the environment of an organism is termed dash. A change in the environment of an organism is termed dash. A. Sensitivity. B. Impulse. C. Response. D. Stimulus. If you have been following my channel, you will know that the answer is what? D. Stimulus. For more information on this, you can fall back to our lectures on living things and its characteristics. Number four, the branch of biology that deals with the principles of classification of organisms is known as dash. The branch of biology that deals with the principles of classification of organisms is known as dash. A. Biotechnology. B. Nomenclature. C. Taxonomy. D. Ecology. So the answer is C. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is simply the practice and classification of living organisms. So option C is correct. Number five, the scientist who introduced binomial nomenclature in the classification of organisms was dash. A.